Most decorators work hard. Really hard. But working hard and running a profitable business are not the same thing. There are 4 signs that your painting business might be working against you, and most decorators don't even realize it's happening. Let's go through them. Sign 1. You're pricing by gut feel. No system, no consistency. You quote one price on a Monday when you've got plenty of work, and a different price on a Thursday when the diary looks thin. Similar jobs, different numbers, no real logic behind it. And the honest truth? You don't actually know if you made money until the job is finished. That's not a pricing strategy, that's a gamble, every single time. When you don't have a system, you're not quoting based on what the job is worth. You're quoting based on how you feel that day. And some days, that costs you. Sign 2. You're absorbing job overruns. The job takes longer than you expected. The prep was worse than it looked. An extra coat was needed. And you cop it. No progress payment, no variation clause, no written agreement to fall back on. Just you, quietly losing money while the customer pays exactly what they agreed at the start. This is one of the most common ways decorators lose income. Not through bad work, through bad paperwork. A single overrun on a big job can wipe out the profit on 2 or 3 others. And if it's happening regularly, you might be much closer to breaking even than you think. Sign 3. You're busy, but your margins are thin. Full diary, phone ringing, always on a job, but at the end of the month, not much left. Busy does not mean profitable. And this is where a lot of decorators get stuck. They measure success by how booked up they are, not by what they actually take home. Here's the question most decorators can't answer. What is your actual hourly rate? Not what you charge, what you actually earn. Once you account for travel, prep, materials, time quoting, time chasing invoices. Most don't know. And if you don't know your true cost of a day on site, you can't price to protect it. Sign 4. You can't step back. You are the business. If you stop, it stops. If you're ill, nothing moves. If you want a week off, the income disappears. No systems, no processes. Nothing that runs without you standing in the middle of it. That's not a business. That's a glorified job, with more paperwork and more risk. A real business has some structure behind it. Ways of working that don't depend entirely on you being present for every single decision. Most decorators never build that. And most decorators never escape the hamster wheel because of it. So, which of those 4 hit closest to home? Pricing by gut feel, absorbing overruns, busy but thin margins, or you can't step back? Most decorators are sitting with at least 2 of them right now. The good news is they're fixable, but you need to know which one is costing you the most. That's exactly what the Painter and Decorator Business Health Assessment is for. It's free. It takes about 2 minutes. You answer a few questions about how your business runs right now. And at the end, you get a clear picture of where the biggest gaps are and what to focus on first. You'll find the assessment very helpful. The link is in the description. If you found this useful, subscribe. New videos go up regularly, all focused on helping you run a more profitable decorating business. And if you know another decorator who needs to hear this, share it with them. See you in the next one.